job.
Hey everybody, it's Peter.
And James.
And
Ian.
Peter, James, and Ian with ClassicSteelRC. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a few months since we've done an unboxing together. We're all a little exhausted. We're actually very exhausted. James's birthday party was earlier today, and it was at a skate park. And we had a blast, and Ian and James were playing on the scooters and skateboards, and it was a lot of fun. So he got to open most of his gifts, but didn't get a chance to open something here in this box with these SCX24s on it. Now, these are not the actual gift, and this is not what we're unboxing. So let's take these out of the way.
I want
Just
to
a minute.
the scissors.
And
We got scissors.
hold on, just a quick hint. Can you guys see that?
Yep.
Can you guys see what that label says right there?
No.
If not, it's not a big deal. We're gonna go ahead and, all right, just be very careful. James has no idea what's in these boxes. Ian has no idea. Careful with the scissors, dude. Okay. All right. Okay, let's put the scissors back. Hold on. They can't even see it right now. We have to pick this up. Okay. What's in this box, guys? What do you think?
RC.
I don't think it's an RC, honestly.
Okay.
Okay. We usually unbox RCs on this channel, but I have a feeling it might not be an RC. All right. So what is it? Hold on. Okay. Hold on. More RC four-wheel drive stickers here, or tape, I should say. What is this?
What is
Another RC four-wheel drive piece of tape here.
Yeah.
What is this? Hold on a second here.
Car?
Hold on. Let's get this out of the way. Let's flip it upside down. Hold on.
First,
they're all excited. They're both really super excited. What do you guys think it can be?
Let's open
Pick
this.
those up. Please.
What?
Pick those up, please.
Oh.
Thank you. All right.
Let's open this.
Okay, we've got one here. Woohoo! And we've got one right here. What do you guys think it might be?
I'm so excited.
Well, if
A
you
model
read...
car. I'm so excited.
You're so excited?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Can I open it?
Huh?
Can I open it?
Sure.
Me too.
Careful.
It's a model car, like I said it was.
Is it a model car?
Or it's an RC.
This, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hold on. It is kind of a model kit, but what we have here are hard bodies. RC four-wheel drive, 18th scale hard bodies
Nice.
that we're going to use for our SCX24s. So we're going to take these Lexan bodies off of the SCX24s. We're going to do some modification, and we're going to have a hard body Jeep. Does that sound cool?
Yeah. What's in the other one?
All right. Well,
Can I open the other one?
hold on a second. Hold on. No.
Ian, stop.
Hold on, buddy.
I want to
All right. We don't want it to get all scratched up when it's brand new. Hold on.
I don't.
So
Sorry.
this is a very rushed unboxing here,
Cause dinner's
and dinner's almost ready,
Can
and I have my best friend patiently waiting here as well. So we're doing this quickly, but I am going to post some pictures and stuff at the end of the video of what these are and what we intend to do with them. And I think James and I might actually even do a little build series with these, a little introductory.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful.
James, you know we can't see you right now because you're standing up.
I like this color.
Oh my goodness gracious, what is that, guys?
Oh my gosh.
So we have a Jeep And we have a Land Rover Defender D90. Okay.
I want to hold it.
Hold on. They want to see it. Let's show them. So these are two RC four-wheel drive hard bodies. One is going to be for the
Can this one be
I want to hold it.
all right, hold on. Oh, yeah.
I want this one.
It's chaos, guys. Hold on. Let's put them here. It's got the protective plastic and stuff. Hey, can you like do this to the camera? All right. So we got the Land Rover Defender D90, and we got a Jeep Wrangler. So bring my C10. Please.
I want to hold this.
All right. Hold on just a minute. Uh-oh.
I want the
Okay.
D90.
So James wants the D90 on his Jeep to replace the Jeep. I'm gonna go ahead and place that right there. That's gonna replace the C10 body apparently, because James already decided that he is gonna go ahead and put that Defender body right there on the Jeep
Might
chassis.
actually be.
So we're gonna do some modifications. It's not gonna be just a perfect fit, but if you could just picture, you know, this Defender body on the SCX24 Jeep chassis, and this Jeep Wrangler body on the SCX24 C10 chassis. It's gonna be pretty epic.
Yeah.
You guys, if you're not already subscribed, you need to go ahead and subscribe.
Not
You want to
really.
see this?
You don't like have to. You don't have to like.
No, seriously, they're like,
I know, but they can't.
no, they'll go to jail if they don't get if they don't subscribe.
I want this one on the
You
top.
guys, are they gonna go to jail if they don't subscribe?
No.
No.
No? You guys are supposed to say yes.
No.
Yes.
Subscribe, please. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Huh? Or you might go to
Yeah,
jail.
yeah.
You will go to jail.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What? What? So, all right, guys. That was a short one for you. Stay tuned for a little build series that I'm hoping to do with James. Hey, come on, dude. Come on. There's a lot of parts to these. I'm going to get more in depth with those. And within a couple weeks, I'm hoping that these will be on the SCX24 chassis.
I want this one
All right,
on
guys.
this. I want this one on
Thanks
this
for
one.
joining Classic Steel RC for this fun unboxing. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit that notification bell. And James, they can't see you. There. Hit the notification bell so you can see the build series, or at the very least the reveal if we can't do a series. So, all right, guys, take care. Have a good one.
See ya.
Say thanks.
Peace out.
All right. Bye.
See ya.
GoPro, stop recording.